Okay, here we go. My name is Lamar. I'm here in the United States and I'm trading crude oil this morning. As you can see, it is around the 8 o'clock, almost 9 o'clock time frame. Probably 8:30ish more than likely. But anyway, what I did, you might see a whole bunch of lines and maybe a very confusing, but what I wanted to point out is a trend that I found into the market at this point. Um, and you can see here, I'm not counting this, but there was a lower highest point when I was looking at the market move that was really more defined. So I put this line here. And notice this is the second highest point right here, and this is the third highest point, and this is the fourth highest point. You kind of see where we are right now. In connection with these highest points, of course, I don't have the lowest down here for the first one, but this is the second lowest point, and you can see it hit it one. No, I didn't hit right there. One, two, and three times. Right, the second lowest point. The third lowest point in connection to the third highest point is right here. Boom, boom. And then the fourth lowest point came here, boom, and the fourth highest point came here, boom. So we looking at this coming here, and it stopped here at the second lowest point. Crude oil has been in a downtrend for the last past 3 days, and it has a lot to do with the things that's happening in Egypt. So you gotta kind of get a working knowledge of what's going on. Uh, so that being said, you know that it's a downtrend. You can kind of see the trend as I pointed out here in the market, and like I said, when we came here, which supposed to have been the start of our fifth lowest point, it stopped at our second lowest point. And you can see here that it tried to bounce back up and then it started coming back down because that was not a true lowest point. So what it's going to do is trying to climb down a little bit lower. I would like it to probably pass here and bounce back up. But if it comes somewhere close here, then I know we in a upward trend more likely. And what I'm looking for it to do is kind of give me a blow off bottom to let me know. This was sort of a blow off bottom, but it's sort of phantom. It's not really real. It didn't really cross my line here. Okay, so let's see what we get. We might be sitting here studying for the market for a little while, but I'm telling you, it's going to be very profitable once we get the signals that we really need, and that's the most important thing. It's not just getting the market making money, but being smart, understand the theory behind why you're doing a particular trade, so you can maximize your profits and not gamble your profits. Okay, so we'll continue watching the market, and once it gives us a clear signal, we're gonna ride that bad boy to town. All right, all right. I'll talk to you later. Okay, I want you to see this. Look at this. I was just telling you that was not the true bottom. Look at this, how it's just riding down. Oh, look, it's about to hit the line here pretty soon. I got 50 seconds within this candlestick before it changed to another candlestick. But let me move it. I want you to clearly see what's happening here. It's about to try to challenge that low. It understood that that was not a real low. So look at it. It's going to bounce back up and see if it can go up. But it's not real. I want you to see that it's coming. It's coming. It's going to go lower. Look at it. Yes, 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 yes. Come talk to me. All right, I just want you to see that. I'm gonna click it back once it hit that low spot, and we're gonna ride it up. And once we ride it up, we're gonna ride it back down. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye. Okay, I forgot I was videotaping this. So you see how I told you it was still gonna go down? some more. It didn't cross. It didn't cross that second point like it's supposed to, and you can see now it's crossed the third point. It's now getting at a point where I'm seriously thinking about getting into going back up. So I just want to see what it's going to do here. Uh, here's my fourth lowest point here and here. So I'm just trying to wait for it, see what it's going to do. It may not happen in this candlestick. It may happen in the next one. Who knows? But it's kind of keeping the distance pretty much the same here. You can see that same distance is evident here from highest to lowest. You know, it's getting shorter, it looks like, because more people in the market. So I'll keep you posted. Oh, yeah, by the way, I'm at $237 40 cents. I got my thing calculated to take my broker fees out while I'm trading, so that's why you got these weird numbers. It don't look so bad right now. All right, let me go ahead and pause this. Okay, I made about in the other trade, I made around about 425 off that one movement. Remember, I told you I was gonna have to pass that fourth lowest point. I got out a little bit early, but hey, $400 something for one contract is not bad. But look at this bad boy just riding. I would not, especially as a new trader, I wouldn't suggest you get into this trade because it can turn on you in a dime. It's trying to find that new low, so I wouldn't play that game. Again, I don't like gambling. I like really using tactical approaches in trading. Uh, so just to let you know, like I was telling you before, look at this. All right, on pause. I'll come back to you. You can see it got to this low point and it's trying to retest that low. You have sort of a blow up bottom down here. All I want to see is how much stress could it put on this next candlestick and put on that spot. I might be coming in the market at that point. Hold on. Right, it's a good thing I didn't come. Look at this. Just drove it down. So we're gonna see what's happening. I got some indicators here that's saying that we should be going up pretty soon here. There's going to be a transition, so this might be our new lowest point. But look at all this capital that could have been made right there. Well, good thing I don't gamble. Okay, so I'm sorry, I forgot to let you know I jumped into the market. Um, so I got to really, really watch this because I'm getting got these crazy bounce back. I wanted to capitalize on this bounce back here and make sure that I can maximize my potential before it bounce back down. I don't think we've seen the low for today yet, to be honest with you. But I am going to capitalize on this particular trade um, and see how it goes. Right. So, all right. All right. All right. Okay. So I'm gonna pause this for a second. You don't need to watch this. I might be in here for a good 20 minutes or so. Okay. All right. Talk to you guys later. Okay. Quickly, I'm still in this trade here, um, and I'm at $254. And what I did was put two sales stops for my contracts. So no matter what, I'm gonna leave profitable. But as it continued going up higher and hitting my point where I really wanted to hit, I can move up my sell stop and secure all that profit. So I still got some upward momentum that's building here, so I'm not gonna absolutely continue cashing out on my sell stop. So just stay tuned, and I'll come back and get you later. Oh, 350 for it's kind of right around that price range, but I know it can go higher. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye. Okay, I'm still in this trade and about 414. As you can see, I moved my stop loss a little bit higher. Um, Still look like it can go a little bit higher on this particular trade, but I won't move it up until the new candle start, and probably around about the 3 minute mark. I'll gauge and see where we are, and I'll probably move my stop loss a little bit higher. But I don't think it's time to cash out this thing just yet. All right, so I'll talk to you soon. Okay, I'm still in market. I'm about to get out right now. 474 is going out there to the 500s. I got every signal that it possibly can go higher, but it's been hitting that 500 mark a couple of times. When not pushing past that 514 that you just saw there. So I'm just gonna give it a couple more tries. There you go. Get me up there. And 5, 6. So, okay, 674. And shout out to Seth. That was pretty quick. I didn't see that. 674. Give me one more little push. And I was trying to get to that 104.10 mark. But I don't. Oh, see, look, there you go. And I'm out. Okay, so I took seven something off that trade, which is great. That's where you want to be at. Um, uh, right now, I think we can go up a little bit more, but again, remember, I'm not greedy. I don't gamble, but there is a method to there is some science to my method. So, you know, and that's what I just wanted to show you real quick. All right. Have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye bye.